Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Behind us we have a Toyota Hiace. It's a long wheelbase and it's a 4x4. We just finished completely fitting it out. Let's show you what we've done. All right, back at house. So we've done things a little bit differently on this Hiace. We have the kitchen fully accessible from the rear of the van. So we have a beautiful Tassie oak bench top that's finished off really nicely. We have the stick-on tiles finished in the black marble. I think that looks really nice with the Tassie oak. We've got the white linings and the pine ceiling. I think it just really sets off that area. We have awesome storage out of the back. You got an induction cooker here permanently plugged in, so when you have your inverter on, you just open this one up. You can start cooking straight away. Prepping on the bench top, cooking here. Close that one up. We've got a cutlery drawer, two great storage drawers, and a bigger storage drawer. So loads of storage out the back. You can never have enough. Little nook here just to throw bits and pieces in as well. Hot and cold water on demand here via the Duetto hot water system. And then we also have a 50-litre grey water tank in under here. So 120 litres of fresh water, 50 litres of grey, and then hot and cold water on demand. We also have the GPO. If you do need to plug in at the back, or if you're running any other appliances, you can plug in here, use it on the bench top, and away you go. So that's back of house. We show you what we've done at the front. All right, so front of house, we have straight away, we have a nice bench seat with a massive pull-out drawer that goes all the way under the bed. We have a nice little Tassie oak bench top that you can slide around, move around here. So if you are outside and you want to be cooking, we've got the Bush Company 180-degree awning. So it gives you awesome coverage across the front. We've got a GPO under here, so you can be cooking. It gives you another option. Doesn't always have to be out the back then. You can be cooking out here as well. And you have heaps of storage in the actual drawer itself. That's on locking drawer slides there. So we're just going to shut that one away. And then you come up, you've got a nice bench seat on here. Full king single bed in this one. So it's an inner sprung mattress. So super comfy in this space here. Stepping on in, we've tried to maximize as much as we can with the way that we've framed out our windows to just let as much natural light in as possible. And then underneath the bed, we've got this on gas strut, so you can actually lift the bed up while the mattress is still on. You can get access to all of the bulkier items that you want to take away with you under the van. And we also have two good sized storage drawers from the front that you can just get to as well. We retained the original heater from the actual van because it used to have seats and be a people carrier. So we've ducted that through there, and you can have the car on. You'll be able to heat up this space with that with the original heater from the van. So I thought that's a pretty cool little feature. We have our matte white walls. We've got our slatted ceiling pine through here. It's all a lightweight product, which is awesome for when it comes to building vans. We want to keep that weight down, but the finish is top notch. It looks really cool. And then we've got the strip lights through that. Coming through the back of the van, we have our electrical cupboard, which houses all of our components. We have done pretty much everything Renogy on this one. We've got the 3000 watt inverter charger. We've got 600 amp hours of lithium battery. And then we've got two 400 watt solar panels on the roof. So completely able to stay off grid for quite a while. And then you've got the options of plugging into mains power. You can charge your system. We've got a microwave up in there, so that can run off the inverter as well. 75-litre Dometic fridge freezer, super accessible. More storage again under that, and then that's where our 120-litre water tank is housed underneath that one. Little portable table built in behind that, so you can access it from this side, or you can take it out, pull it out from the back as well. And then we have a 12-volt fan at the back, which has built-in USBs and a light. So really, this van is absolutely loaded with all the good gear. And this space in here having a full king single, heaps of storage, plenty of headroom if you are just chilling, you want to sit on the bed, lean up against the cupboard here, lean up against the walls. It feels like such a good space in here. I would personally love to take this van away and go camping in it. Also, plenty of storage along that side of the bed. We built that up so you can just lift that up and get to extra storage in there.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Services on the van. So as I mentioned earlier, we have a 120 litre tank, which we fill up via the outside here. Then we have our mains water connection coming across, our mains power connection, shore power, so we can plug in, charge the system whilst powering all the GPOs and everything else in the van. On the roof, we have the front runner roof rack. And to that, we've mounted the kick-ass shower awning tent. So that just opens out, swings down, drops down, plug into the external shower there, and then you can be having a hot or cold shower out the back. On the other side, we also have the exterior lights, and we mounted the Bush Company awning to the roof rack. 2 400-watt solar panels on the roof, a max fan, and that is the services on the Hiace. All right, so that's a wrap for our latest fit out coming out of the workshop. We're really stoked with how this 4x4 Hiace came together. I think it has absolutely everything you need to be traveling either full-time on the road or having it as your weekend warrior. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. We've got some awesome builds coming up. Thanks for watching.